Welcome to HomePan Tri-Pro. Today, we're diving deep into a kitchen essential that can elevate your cooking game considerably. We're talking about the Cook Standard Stainless Steel Stockpot, an 8-quart marvel with some serious features to unpack. If you're someone who loves to simmer, boil, or stew, this could be your new favorite piece of cookware. Let's start with what makes this pot stand out. The most crucial aspect is its construction. This is a Tri-Ply Clad stockpot, meaning it has 3 layers of metal fused together. Specifically, it boasts an 1810 stainless steel interior and exterior, sandwiching an aluminum core that extends all the way through. This isn't just for show, this construction is the secret sauce for exceptional heat distribution. No more worrying about scorching your sauces or having unevenly cooked stews. The aluminum core ensures that heat spreads quickly and evenly across the entire base and up the sides, minimizing those frustrating hot spots that lead to burnt food and wasted ingredients. This efficiency in heat transfer means you'll have more control over your cooking and better results. Beyond the core construction, the thoughtful design elements really shine. The handles are ergonomically designed to stay cool on the stovetop, a small but significant detail that makes a big difference when you're maneuvering a full pot. No more fumbling for oven mitts just to stir your soup. And the lid. It's a secure fitting lid that does exactly what it should. It traps heat and moisture, creating a perfect environment for slow cooking, braising, and retaining all those delicious flavors and aromas. This seal is essential for everything from making broths to cooking pasta perfectly. Now, let's talk versatility. This stockpot is induction compatible, which is a huge plus for many modern kitchens. But it doesn't stop there. It works beautifully on gas, electric, glass, ceramic, and halogen stovetops as well. So, no matter what kind of cooktop you have, this pot is likely to be a great fit. Furthermore, its utility extends beyond the stovetop. It's oven safe up to a remarkable 500 degrees Fahrenheit. This means you can start a dish on the stove and finish it in the oven, opening up a whole new world of culinary possibilities. Think baked pasta dishes, roasts, or even bread. The multi-purpose label isn't an exaggeration. This 8-quart pot is ideal for a wide range of cooking tasks. Boiling corn on the cob, making large batches of soup or chili, preparing stocks and broths, or even deep frying are all well within its capabilities. And when you're done cooking, cleaning up is a breeze. It's dishwasher safe, which is a convenience we all appreciate. While many prefer to hand wash stainless steel to maintain its shine, the option is there. It's also incredibly easy to clean by hand due to the smooth stainless steel surface. Its sleek, silver finish means it will fit in seamlessly with virtually any kitchen decor, adding a touch of professional flair to your culinary space. So, what are the pros of this Cook Standard Stockpot? First and foremost, the Tri-Ply Clad construction for superior heat distribution and control. The cool touch handles and secure lid are excellent practical features. Its wide compatibility with various stovetops, including induction, and its oven-safe nature make it incredibly versatile. It's also durable, easy to clean, and has a timeless aesthetic. Are there any cons to consider? Well, for an 8-quart pot, it can be a bit on the heavier side due to the full clad construction. This might be a consideration for those who prefer very lightweight cookware. Also, while dishwasher safe, to keep that stainless steel looking pristine for years, regular hand washing is generally recommended to avoid potential water spots or minor abrasions. Finally, while the price point is generally competitive for a fully clad pot, it is an investment, so it might be more than you'd spend on a basic aluminum pot. In conclusion, the Cook Standard Stainless Steel Stockpot 8-quart is a robust, well-constructed, and highly versatile piece of cookware. Its excellent heat distribution, comfortable handling, and broad compatibility make it a fantastic choice for home cooks looking to upgrade their kitchen essentials. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, this stockpot will undoubtedly become a workhorse in your kitchen, helping you create delicious meals with ease and confidence. Link in the description.